Hi guys, this is Tony. Sorry I missed a freight train that came around 6 o'clock this morning. I overslept. That train is all Union Pacific mid DPU. That was also Union Pacific. That means something. But here comes the northbound. I'm sorry. Here comes the southbound. Super late Amtrak Texas Eagle 21 this morning. Oh my goodness. Wow, 15 hours late, huh? What is all that about? Wow. And give me a... Yeah, that was awesome to see a super late Amtrak train go by like that. So I'll talk to y'all later today. When more stuff is around, once I'm done taking care of stuff this morning. Bye bye.